Hi, I'm Sharon from Spanish Town Heritage Foundation, and today we're going to make la Pirinola. My Spanish is not that great, so we call it the spinning top game. So you will need a blank, which we have on our website, the pattern and the kind of the directions. So this is kind of based on the dreidel idea. So each child, we used cardstock, so it's got a little more body. So each child will get a top, a golf pencil, two little tiny rubber bands. Got these at the dollar store. And they need two, and on here you can see, two rubber bands, and then some type of a little marker. At the school, sometimes we use little squares of just construction paper, or many times traditionally families used beans. So everyone gets a few beans, all the children. Then they need to color their little top. We ask them to leave a little white space where the words are, because if they color them totally, especially if they decide to color them navy blue or black, you can't see what the directions are. So the object of this game is everyone Annie's one bean to start with, and you color your top, you fold it a little bit like an umbrella, and then the two rubber bands come into play. We put one rubber band, you poke the pencil through the middle, but we had trouble with the pencil sliding out. So Nancy came up with the good idea that we use the little rubber bands. So we put one on the inside, we just wrap it around and then push it up, and then one on the outside. So the game is to spin the top, and whatever it lands on, that's what you need to do. So this one says pon uno. Pon uno. So you would put in one bean into the pot. Now, the easy way to remember this is pon is put, and then toma is take. So there are 6 different choices, there's 6 different opportunities on each top, and the kids can just play, and they can play with the beans or the beads or the little paper squares. So hope you enjoy this game, and it's lots of fun. We just handed them out to the kids, and they all have a bucket of color crayons on their desks or on their tables, and they just colored away, and then we helped them put it together, and they all played nicely. We had about 4 or 5 children per table, and it was great, and they had a good time. So hope you enjoyed this video, and hope you enjoy playing La Pirinola. Thank you. Bye-bye now.